American Eagle Harley-Davidson, the best Harley dealership around. Everybody treats you like family. It's always a good time. We got the Lake Dallas Animal Shelter here. You can adopt all kinds of cute little puppies.
Well, we have Mr. Hobbs, the white one right over here. He's about 1.5 years. He was found with Miss Phoebe right here. They're real good buddies. They really like each other.
Grilling out tacos. We got live country music. I will be serving your beer. So just come on out and have a good time.
The toughest thing I ever gave up was to love. And only habits like you are hard to break.